Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, we will explore Wix.com, a user-friendly cloud-based platform that enables you to create and customize stunning websites without any coding knowledge. So in our first tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account and how to create a web page from a template. And then in our second video, I'm going to explain all the tools that you can use to customize your own website. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So I'm on Wix.com's homepage, and here I'm going to click on Get Started. And here you can either sign up with your email, but I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So to do that, I'm going to click on this Continue with Google button. So here you need to select who you are creating these websites for. So I'm going to select for myself or my business or a friend, and then I'm going to click on Continue. Here you can select what kind of website you can create. So you can either create a portfolio web page or a blog. So let's select portfolio, and here you can select your profession from here. So let's say film student portfolio, and then I'm going to click on next. Here you need to write down your website's name. So let's write our channel's name here, and then simply tap on this next button, and here just select go to dashboard, and here I'm going to select design your website and click on design site. So here you can either let Wix create a website for you, or you can create your own website from a template. So I'm going to select a template from here. To do that, I'm going to click on pick a template. Here you can see the film student portfolio templates. Let's scroll down and select one that we like. So I'm going to go back. This one looks nice. So let's click on view to view this web page in real time. So let's close this pop-up. So you can go over between the sub menus in real time. So in order to edit this website, you need to simply click on this edit this site from the top right side of the corner. And here's our first web page. And that's basically an introduction to the Wix.com. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to customize website according to your needs. And that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.